Hello friends, I am CMA Akula Sridhar and welcome to Finance MCQ channel. In continuation to our SEBI Officer Grade A exam preparation series, we'll cover some more questions from economic topics today, which is an important part of your technical syllabus. Friends, this technical syllabus is having 100 marks in phase 1 and it has 2/3 weightage of your phase 2 of SEBI Grade A exam. And friends, you can find the entire technical syllabus of SEBI Grade A exam chapter wise, topic wise on Finance MCQ website in MCQ question format. You can visit the website and practice the entire technical syllabus there. I have put the website link on the description box below. So let's begin and try to solve the MCQ questions along with me. Question number 1. Which one is not a pair of substitute goods? Option A, Coke and Pepsi. Option B, pen and pencil. Option C, car and petrol. Option D, ink pen and ball pen. And last option, rice and wheat. So friends, here the correct answer is option C, car and petrol. Friends, remember that car and petrol are examples of complementary goods which are used together to satisfy a particular want or desire. Next question, which type of relationship exists between income and demand for inferior goods? Option A, direct relationship. Option B, indirect relationship. Option C, inverse relationship. Option D, no relation. And last option, none of the above. So friends, here the correct answer is inverse relationship. The correct option is option C. Friends, it means that demand for these goods will decrease with an increase in income. So friends, before moving on to the next question, let's discuss the question I asked in my previous video. I asked, where is the headquarter of Multi Commodity Exchange of India Limited located? So friends, the correct answer is it is in Mumbai. Moving on, which one is not a dimension of elasticity of demand? Option A, price elasticity of demand. Option B, cross elasticity of demand. Option C, income elasticity of demand. Option D, production elasticity of demand. And last option, none of the above. So friends, here the correct answer is option D, production elasticity of demand. So friends, elasticity of demand is a measure of the degree of sensitivity of demand to change in its price or price of other goods or income of a consumer. So production elasticity of demand is not a dimension to the elasticity of demand. Next question, under which form of market competition more quantity can be sold only at a lower price? Option A, monopoly competition. Option B, monopolistic competition. Option C, oligopoly competition. Option D, imperfect competition. And last option, perfect competition. So friends, here the correct option is option A, monopoly competition. Friends, remember that monopoly competition is a form of market which has a single seller selling a unique product, but that does not mean that he can charge any price for his product because his demand curve faces the market demand curve. That means if the monopolist company has to maximize his profit, they will have to lower their prices to sell more of a good, and they have to keep doing this until his marginal cost equates to its marginal revenue. Next question, if we remove both net indirect taxes and depreciation from gross domestic product at market price, we will get option A, net domestic product at market price. Option C, net national product at market price. Option C, net domestic product at factor cost. Option D, net national product at factor cost. And last option, none of the above. So friends, here the correct option is option C, net domestic product at factor cost. Next question, surplus in current account arises when dash items are more than dash items. Option A, debit, credit. Option B, credit or debit. Option C, receivables, payable. Option D, payable and receivable. And last option, none of the above. So friends, here the correct option is option B, credit and debit. Friends, debit side of current account records all imports and payments, whereas credit side records all exports and receipts. Hence, when credit side is more than the debit side, there will be a surplus balance in current account. Moving on, the stage of depression is followed by the stage of dash in business cycle. Option A, expansion. Option B, peak. Option C, depression. Option D, trough. And option E, recovery. So friends, remember that there are 5 business phases of business cycle, which includes peak, recession, depression, trough and recovery. So friends, depression is followed by this trough stage of business cycle. Next question, as per Keynes' approach, speculative demand depends on option A, market condition. Option B, rate of interest. Option C, time value of money. Option D, all of the above. And last option, none of the above. So friends, as per Keynes, money demand for speculative purpose is sensitive to the changes in rate of interest. So friends, the question for today's video is that Keynes, in his book General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money, published in 1936, forwarded a theory that money is demanded for mainly three main motives. So friends, the question is, which are these three main motives? So those who know the answer, please comment in the comment box below. We'll discuss in our tomorrow's video. Next question. Collection of dash is an automatic function performed when purchasing and selling goods and services. Option A, direct taxes. Option B, indirect taxes. Option C, penalties. Option D, duties. And last option, both B and D. So friends, remember that collection of indirect taxes and duties will be an automatic function whenever there is a purchase and sale of goods and services taking place. Next question. In case of reverse charge mechanism under GST, dash is liable to pay tax. Option A, service provider. Option B, service recipient. Option C, transporter. Option D, agent. And last option, none of the above. So friends, normally under GST, supplier of goods and services is liable to pay GST. However, under reverse charge mechanism, a service recipient is liable to pay tax. So here the correct option is option B. Friends, if you want to practice more such type of MCQ questions from your technical syllabus, I request you to kindly visit Finance MCQ website. It has entire SEBI graded technical syllabus in MCQ format. 2000 plus subject wise, topic wise MCQ questions to practice. It has explanation for correct answer wherever required. Plus 25 test series to practice from your technical syllabus. So friends, don't miss this golden opportunity and increase your selection chances significantly. Website link is given in the description box below. If you have any questions, please write in the comment box below. I will try to address them. And I will come up with new MCQ questions to practice on SEBI grade A exam. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.